In this video, you will see how to insert a line in Word online like this. It's very easy. First, click inside the document where you want to insert a line. Click on the Home tab, and under the Home tab, you will see here small option of borders. You just need to click on the drop down, and here you will see different types of borders. So we will make use of this border to insert a line. For the line, just select the second option, bottom border. After applying the border, you will see this thin line. If you want to edit this line and make it thicker, you can just click on the line or above the line. Go back to the borders option. Here you will see the option of weight. This weight is the thickness of line, so you can see the preview of the line thickness and select appropriate thickness like this. You can also go back and change the style if you want a dashed, dotted or a double line. After clicking on the option, you will get the respective style of the line. You can also change the color by going to the color option and then select the color. In this way, you can insert a line in Word online and edit the line quickly. Click on that like button, comment below and let me know if this video solved your problem. And don't forget to check out these useful videos if you want to learn Word online quickly. Don't forget to subscribe and press the bell notification icon.